Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Tai step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Tai. Greatest. Very. Extremely. For example, 正太. Means young, cute boy. Now check this sentence. She turned up at last with a handsome young man. 她最后和一位正太一起出现了。She turned up at last. With a handsome young man.他最后和一位正太一起出现了。他最后和一位正太一起出现了。和一位正太一起出现。She turned up at last with a handsome young man. Tai in cursive. Tai, greatest, very, extremely. 正太, young, cute boy. She turned up at last with a handsome young man. 她最后和一位正太一起出现了。Tai. Please comment any words or sentence with the character Tai. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.